In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete products on Gumroad. If you've ever needed to clean up your catalog, remove a test listing, or retire a product you no longer sell, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it smoothly and confidently without second-guessing where to click. First, head to your products dashboard inside your Gumroad account. This is the main hub where all of your products live, and you'll see them listed in a table with columns for details like title, pricing, and status. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account, especially if you manage multiple storefronts. If your list is long, use the search bar or filters to locate what you need. It's a good idea to pause for a moment and confirm you're looking at the correct item before proceeding, particularly if you have similar product names. Next, find the specific product you want to delete and hover your cursor over its status. The status typically shows whether a product is published, draft, or paused. When you hover over that area, you should see a red delete button appear on the far right side of that product's row. If you don't see it at first, try moving your mouse across the row or widening your browser window so the right side controls are visible. Take your time here. Gumroad often tucks management actions into hover states to keep the interface clean, so it's normal for the option to appear only when you mouse over the row. When you're sure you've selected the correct product, click Delete. Deleting is a permanent action and can't be undone, so make sure you truly want to remove this listing. You may see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully so you understand the implications for your storefront and buyers. Before you reach this point, consider whether you want to save any product descriptions, images, or files for your records, as they won't be available in your product's dashboard after deletion. If the product has been shared via links or embedded on your site, remember that those links will stop working. Once the product is deleted, your product's dashboard should refresh, and the item will no longer appear in your list. That's all there is to it. To recap, go to your product's dashboard, locate the product, hover over its status to reveal the red delete button, and click Delete. Keep an eye out for confirmations and always double-check you're deleting the right item. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to explore more tutorials to keep your Gumroad storefront tidy and up to date.